Hey everyone, Apple just released iOS 27 for public beta. So here's how you can install it. So head to beta.apple.com, then you will see this option called sign in. Tap on sign in and sign in with your iCloud account. And you will see this agreement, click on agree. Then iOS 27, what it does, it will show you all the compatible devices, and so you can click on enroll your device. Then you can choose the device. You can do the backup. If you don't want to do the backup, just click on open beta updates. It will show you. Then you can choose this 27. So once you choose it, iOS public beta 27, you can start downloading it. And you should see under your software update, you should see iOS 27. Then click on update now. Then it will show you all the size, like the size is 10 gigabyte. Make sure you have enough storage before you updating. Click on update now. Enter your current password for the iPhone. So then click on agree. Then click on agree. Then I think the update is requested and it's downloading the iOS 27 from the server. So just be patient. FYI, the size might be different. Let's say you are using iPhone 14, 15, 16, you will see the different sizes. So just don't freak out when you see huge update like 15 gigabyte or 26 gigabyte. So it start doing the verification update. So after that, it will install the update automatically. So I'm just gonna hang for tight for a couple of minutes because this process takes some time. So I successfully installed the iOS 27 beta version. So I'm on 27.0 now. So I will be making more video on this. Thank you for watching. Please consider like and subscribe if you find this video useful.